noticed that quite a bit of Dr. Bisanga's patients grow early. They get a good amount of growth early. And, you know, I think it kind of, it has added to some of the anxiety of other patients looking at all these reviews, and they're like, wait, this guy looks fantastic in 3 months. What's going on? So, Dr. Bisanga, is there anything that you do as a surgeon to sort of, you know, get this early growth, or is it just, you know, you've got good patients that grow early? Is there anything you could do, you know, technically to get this?
If you have just one patient who have early growth, you say it's just random. But if you have many patients like we have that are having early growth, then it's not random. I don't say that everyone will have early growth, but I will say in our patients, 70% now can really have. So first of all is our protocol of punching. We tend to leave, a puncher leave most of the follicles inside. And then when we flip, we make the site, and then we start harvesting, and then we start placing. There is less manipulation of the follicles. And I think, you know, manipulation with forceps and all that can also create a problem when it comes to growth. I think we make a pre-made site that help. I know people use implanters and they make site at the same time with implanter, but I don't believe that you can get a good density and less trauma to the graft by doing that. We use a KIP for planting graft, so we use a KIP and a forceps. KIP is a tool by Dr. Corey Erdogan, and we use that. Since we started using it, we tweak a little bit the usage of it, and we having the early growth. Is not Dr. Costis is looking amazing. 6 months, he just turned 6 months, and is happy like never. I've never seen him so happy about his hair, touching it every time he can, looking in the mirror and all that. So we have some patients that start seeing growth at 2 months, and so it's not just a random thing. I think also the handling of the graft on a microscope and all that. So it's really a combination of different things.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and for more great content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also go to www.bhrclinic.com and start your journey for a free assessment with Dr. Bisanga. Thanks ever so much. Let's get started together, and look forward to seeing you soon.